Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate pets in Grow a Garden. To begin, you'll discover the singular, in-game method that allows you to multiply your pet eggs. This process leverages the special ability of a specific pet, enabling you to expand your collection without relying on external exploits. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can replicate this technique to grow your garden's animal companions and acquire more of your favorite pets. The first crucial step is to acquire the koi pet. Start by gathering tranquil mutated plants from your garden. Once collected, head to the spawner and trade these plants with the Zen Man. This action helps grow a special tree and earns you Zen coins. You must complete this quest a total of 40 times to unlock the Zen shop, where you can then purchase the koi pet using your accumulated Zen coins. 1. With your koi pet ready, the duplication process begins. Place the pet eggs you intend to multiply into a new, open spot in your garden. When these eggs hatch, the koi pet's unique ability comes into play, providing about a 30% chance to recover the egg you just hatched. This means you can potentially rehatch the same egg multiple times. To maximize your chances, focus on leveling up your koi pet, as a higher level directly boosts this duplication rate. 1. To truly maximize your pet duplication efforts, prioritize leveling up your koi pet. A higher level koi significantly increases the percentage chance of recovering your eggs after hatching. Remember, this method relies on a percentage, so patience is key. While not every hatch will result in a duplicate, consistently using a high-level koi will yield substantial results over time, allowing you to multiply even your rarest and most valuable pet eggs. 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.